James Stephen George Boggs was an American artist, best known for his hand-drawn depictions of banknotes. Life. Boggs was born Stephen Litzner on January 16, 1955 in Woodbury, New Jersey. Art career. Boggs began drawing currency in 1984, when a Chicago waitress accepted a drawing of a $1 bill in payment for his restaurant tab. His drawings of currency, drawn only a single side of the note. One of his better-known works is a series of bills done for the Florida United Numismatists Annual Convention. Other works of money art that he designed include the mural All the World's a Stage, roughly based on a Bank of England Series D20 note and featuring Shakespearean themes, as well as banknote-sized creations that depict Boggs's ideas as to what U.S. currency should look like. Boggs and his work are chronicled in Boggs, A Comedy of Values, by Lawrence Weschler, published by the University of Chicago Press. Legality and arrests. Boggs viewed his transactions as a type of performance art, but the authorities often viewed them with suspicion. Boggs aimed to have his audience question and investigate just what it is that makes money valuable in the first place. He steadfastly denied that he was a counterfeiter or forger, but rather maintained that a good-faith transaction between informed parties is certainly not fraud, even if the item transacted happens to resemble negotiable currency. Boggs was first arrested for counterfeiting in England in 1986. He was arrested for a second time in Australia in 1989, acquitted and awarded the equivalent of $20,000 in damages by the presiding judge. Boggs' home was raided 3 times between 1990 and 1992 by the United States Secret Service on suspicion of counterfeiting. In September 2006, Boggs was arrested in Florida and charged with possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, and carrying a concealed weapon. He failed to appear in court a few months later. Death. Museum collections.